Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the iRobot Roomba 205. If you're interested in the 205, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the iRobot home app right here. We can select our Roomba 205 from the Robots tab. That's the second icon from the left at the bottom. So we can select that. And right here front and center, since we just set this up, we don't have any maps created, we can hit right under the ready to clean text the create a map button, and that will create the map. Or bottom left hand corner, my home. This takes us to all of our current maps, and look what we have here at the very top. Roomba 205 is ready to create its first map. So we can do that right there, create a map. If you don't see that, you can always go down to the bottom with the plus icon, add a space, choose your Roomba, and create a map that way. But let's go ahead, let's select create a map. And here's what to expect while the Roomba 205 learns your home. That looks great. Then we'll go ahead and we'll select next. And they walk you through room prep for map creation. So make sure you prep it. In our case, we got to go put it where we want it. Make sure all the doors in our house are opened up while it maps. Then we'll go ahead and hit that create map right there within the app. All right, we have our Roomba placed. Let's create a map. All right, our map has been populated, everything finished. It was very quick, no issues at all whatsoever. And as I look at the map, everything looks great. So it nailed what I wanted it to map. Now, room 6 here is technically a stairwell, so it'll never be able to clean in that room. But right here, look, we have the option we can edit our map or save the map, and they have some more troubleshooting down here at the bottom. You could delete and create a new map if needed. So let's select edit maps. You can see some of the map editing options. Edit rooms, add clean zones, add keep out zones. Edit map name, rotate map, delete map. So let's go edit rooms. And we go to room 6. And we can edit name, we can merge, or we can split. So I can't delete that room, but you can see what we're able to do. And then back in map 6 settings right here, where would you like to clean today? So they have recommendations, routines, spot clean, create a new routine. So if we hit spot clean right here, let's prep the 205 for its first cleaning routine, install edge sweeping brush, make sure it's charged up, open doors, all of that. Then you can start cleaning right there. So for quick touch-ups like stray crumbs or for other small messes, I do when you don't need to clean the entire room. So use finger to drag spot clean on map. Spot clean is approximately 1 meter by 1 meter. So we could just do a quick touch up. Now what's goofy is, okay, there, I can just touch it that way. Just touch where you want it, and that's how you can initiate a spot clean there. Again, we can add our own cleaning zones, so you could always reference that zone in the future. That could be things like putting it right by the back door, the front door, the garage door, wherever you have like a highly trafficked area that you always want to have some quick cleaning. We don't want to do a whole room clean. That's the importance of adding those clean zones right there. But simple and straightforward, fairly basic mapping tools available to you compared to some of the other competitors that would offer you the ability to delete rooms or at least expand edge boundaries and things like that. But overall, it gives you the essential features that you would need to properly have and edit your map.